Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will show you how you can clear your video watched history on Facebook, because when we are using Facebook we see different type of video and that video will save in our history. So you can see I have watched this video. If I want to clear it, I am not clear on the history. So because there is no any option on the history to clear it, so I will show you how you can clear this history. So you will see three lines, and some people see these lines on top right and some maybe these lines on the below. So click on it. After that, click on setting, and here click on count meta center, and here you will click on your information and permission, and then click on assess your information. After that, you will see your activity across Facebook. You will click on it. After that, you will see your post check-ins for photos and video, and you will see more option. Click on it. After that, you will see the option video you have watched. Click on it. After that, these are those video which you have watched on Facebook. If you will click on three dot, then there is an option to delete that video in the history. So again, if you want to click on three dots and you will see delete option, click on it and you will clear it on the history. So one by one you can clear from the history. If you want to clear immediately all videos, then you can click here, and here you will write your start date from where you want to delete. So if I want to delete from 14 December till, and if I will done it, then I will clear it. Then my chat history will be clear on that dates which I have entered. So in this way you can easily clear your video watched history. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you.